How to use content-aware fill in Photoshop. This is a powerful tool for covering up problems with your image, such as in this photo. You can see at the top left of the window there's a crack in the brick wall, as well as the bottom left. I'm going to go ahead and cover those up quickly. So with the lasso tool selected, I'm going to make sure on the right side you can see that the layer is highlighted. And I'm going to make a selection around that crack in the wall. Now I'm going to go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. This will give me a preview of what I'll see. I want to have the output settings set to New Layer. I'm going to hit OK. Now to get rid of this selection here, I'm going to hit Command D on a Mac or Control D on a PC. So you can see, looking at the layers, I have the original image and the correction is on its own layer. That gives me the most flexibility in correcting the photo. Now I'm going to do another one here. If I want to get rid of these leaves over there, I can do the same thing. If I wanted to get rid of this plant and these leaves, rather than doing one large selection around all of that, I would be better served by doing a selection just around that one, going to Edit, Content Aware Fill, and hitting OK, re-highlighting there, making a selection around this one. If you make too large of a selection, you may end up with some artifacts or not an image the way you want it to look. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And now I'm going to do one quick one over here, just making it quick and easy. Say I wanted to get rid of one of these windows. I'm going to go ahead and switch the tools to the marquee tool. And if you look here, if I make a selection around that window and go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. For this one, I'm going to put the output settings to Current Layer. I'm going to hit OK, deselect, and voila. That is how you use the Content Aware tool in Photoshop. If this answered your Photoshop question without wasting any of your time, please give the video a like, and while you're down there, please subscribe.